What's up, data? So let's do a complete multi-time frame analysis of dollar yen. Let's see what kind of trading opportunity currently we have in this instrument. Now, dollar yen, what we see on the lower time frame, a significant trading opportunity. Now, before we discuss what it is, let's do a complete multi-time frame analysis. Then we'll jump out to this time frame to see how we can trade dollar yen. Now, first of all, let's look at bigger picture as usual to see the general direction in the market. As higher time frames such as monthly, weekly will give you a clear direction in the market, removing all the noise from the lower time frame. Now, dollar yen, if you look at the bigger picture, it's a strongly bullish market. How do you know? From the market structure. Market structure is only the way where you can find a clear direction of the trend. Starting from here, strong impulse followed by series of higher high and higher low. And every month, the price was creating series of higher high and higher low, which is a typical uptrending market structure. Now, with that said, dollar yen is in a bullish market, and what is going up is likely to go up. That's the law of trading. Now, as you can see, this is the end of the month, just 1 day and for 1.5 days remaining for this month to be ended. And we see this candle is a very, very healthy, strong, bullish candle. If you look at the previous monthly candlestick pattern, what you saw that previous month's dollar yen has created this a very powerful bullish engulfer that has a huge liquidity. Why? Because you see this narrow doji on the monthly where there was a lot of consolidation. As soon as that narrow red candle closed, what we have seen in that uptrending market, the price reversed in this zone on the lower time frame, grabbed a lot of liquidity from this tummy of this narrow doji, and then we have seen previous month the price closed a bullish engulfer that has a huge volume. After this kind of bullish engulfer in such an important area of value in this uptrending market, you can expect a couple of monthly candles to be printed at the top. That means that we have a high probability for dollar yen to continue to go up further on the monthly perspective. Now, if you jump on to weekly time frame, what we have seen the past week, there is a doji, the same thing, which is a strongly bullish that has also a liquidity grab from the bottom and also at the top. It's a textbook doji. That's a continuation pattern, and you have seen in my weekly forex forecast. This is what I mentioned. Now, once the market opened, we have seen a clear movement to the upside, a strong effort from the buyers. Now, at this point, where we see that the price is in a point where there is no significant resistance, mean we could potentially see a spike to the upside on dollar yen. Now, going to the daily, where we have seen a very strong bullish move on dollar yen. This is the daily price section where you can see there is a liquidity grab. That's a sign of strong movement in the direction of the trend. Why? Because with that structure, many traders trapped here thinking that it's a reversal pattern. But what happened is the dollar yen basically grabbed the liquidity. It's a when the trend is tired, the price does the to refresh the trend to go with a new momentum. And what do you see currently on the daily perspective? This is the daily chart. As you can see, the price broke all these two daily level of resistance, which is acting as a support, and we have seen both has been tested. The first one here we have seen on the daily time frame, it has tested and rejected. The next day we saw that level is broken and tested the second support, that was the previous resistance here. And we have seen now a daily candle is being printed on this level of support, and we can expect now the price to continue to go up in this direction. Now, where we can target our first move, let's see this long week candle where we could see a bounce from here. Now, if we take a target along the 50% of this long week candle, we can expect in the first target of dollar yen to take the price to take our profit in this zone, and then we can proceed further for bigger profit target on the lower time frame. If you look at the 4 hour, then how we can take this trade. Now, as you can see on the 4 hour time frame, there is another structure that you can see. This is another liquidity grab on the 4 hour time frame. You have seen this 20 period moving average has broken to the downside completely, grab the liquidity, and then we have seen that basically dollar yen started to push up again. Now this is the current candle which is also forming a middleman in this important area of value, this support. Then how we will be trading dollar yen? As you can see, if you look closely in this move, there is a red movement happen, and we saw a narrow doji here. The price is approaching this resistance level on the lower time frame. What I think that upon closing of this candle, this current one, we could see another red doji in the zone to create an inverted head and shoulder. That doji could possibly testing this support zone, that which is acted here as a resistance in the past, and this is the zone that I will be targeting for a potential bullish setup on dollar yen. From this zone, according to the rules of our strategies, we'll take first target in this zone, and then we'll keep running the trade for bigger profit target to take this move to the upside with our students with a high probability trade setup. And if you find value in this analysis, then smash the like button, and also don't forget to drop a comment below to help this idea. Thank you for watching. See you soon in my next analysis.